So before I joined here, I had like knee pain and I had some lower back pain that I would deal with like after my sessions or after my runs. Like I would just have that stiffness, and that actually it's gone away so far with the 12 weeks that we did together, like we talked about and all that. I tried other fascia programs like the movement code. I've tried football entangled for footballers, and just I guess I programmed the body wrong in that way to feel the shins, and that is one thing that from these 12 weeks I no longer really like. I kind of taught the body how to not use shins, so now I feel way more like hamstrings and glutes. To improve my athleticism is number one, and number two is to not have any injuries. And so far, while doing like 60-mile weeks and running and doing the fascia program, I never got one injury. That's one thing, and my rolling out the body really helped my body run more efficiently. That's what I noticed from the
Got it.
program so far.
So when you first started, you had a lot of shin. So when you did the tall curls, right? That's where you feel. And what do you feel now?
Right now in towel curls, I'll feel like hamstrings with a mix of calves if it gets like very fatigued, but usually I will feel hamstrings
Got
and
it.
hopefully some glutes.
Yes, we need a little bit of more programming to have it done into the right place because there was a
Yeah,
wrong programming that went to the shin for the longest time.
yeah.
And talk about your fascial adhesions, right? Because in the beginning you had a lot of fascial adhesions, especially in the quads, especially in the calves. And what do you feel now when you roll?
I would roll out and it's like I kind of like resisted, but it was like very knotted and just like it would hurt a lot, especially in the quads. And I feel like when I roll out now, like it feels like my legs are relieved in a way. So it's like it just feels more relaxed, and it actually that is one of the main ways that helped me improve my running form a little bit in these 12 weeks was from what I noticed, rolling out the adhesions and getting rid of the tangles in your legs and stuff.
Yeah,
That was good.
perfect. So what do you feel like after you do your long runs? What do you feel in your body now versus before?
Oh, so that's one thing with the knots and stuff. Like you could probably after a long run, feel the knots around your legs are just hurting. But now my legs just feel like, I mean, it's just the natural burn. Like I'll feel like maybe hamstrings after a run, and that's just my posterior chain being strengthened in the run. But at the end of the run, it just feels like relaxed, and I don't feel like no knots that are like bugging or any like joint pain or anything like that, really. As well
Okay,
as I don't no longer feel lower back or knee pain. That's one thing that I noticed for sure.
got it. So before when you do the long runs, you would feel the either the knee or the lower back.
Yes, I would feel my right knee, especially because I sustained an injury before, and then now lower back is gone after like a lot of runs as well.
Got it. And what is your, or what, in terms of, because we didn't have too much time, and in terms of the running speed, what have you seen in, like what's the distance you're running for, and what's the difference you saw in in the speed?
In a 5K, I'll probably be running like 20 seconds faster right now compared to that I ran last spring in track.
I
I
see.
could think I could run like 20 seconds faster.
Got it. And you also try to play football. And what happens when you play football now?
Oh, that's where I noticed the most changes, to be honest, just because it's like I guess you're playing with a ball. I don't know, it just makes it easier. Like I can volley balls now and my ankle will not hurt. Like fearlessly, I'll just like I used to be scared that I would break my ankle volleying a ball in the air because the ball is heavy, and then now I volley like nothing. I did notice my acceleration speed increase to be able to like take players in football. That's one thing that I noticed, and it's way easier to cut. Like my agility has improved for sure. That's what I noticed when I went to go play pickup.
Got it. So before when you volley the ball, you do not feel confidence in your ankle.
No, no, I felt like I would not even like if I was to do it. Like I kind of like in a way, sorry, excuse my like half-ass it because like it would hurt. So I kind of was scared to really fully go commit to it.
Got it. Before you would hurt the ankle.
Yes, it would hurt. Sometimes I would actually sprain it. if I ever did volley it very hard or something.
I see.